It is time once again for another edition of Missing Persons Monday, South Dakota. For the Office of the South Dakota Attorney General, I'm Tim Borman. Today's profiles: Devin Cooper, a 17-year-old white male, missing since November 18th, 2020. He's last known to be in the Rapid City area of Pennington County. He stands 5'7", weighs 140 pounds, has blonde hair, blue eyes. Last seen wearing sweatshirt and jeans. If you have any information, please contact the Pennington County Sheriff's Office at 605-394-4131. Leighton Hawkwing, a 15-year-old Native American male, missing since October 15th, 2020. Last seen in Rapid City. He stands 5'10", weighs 260 pounds, black hair, brown eyes. He does wear glasses. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Leighton, please contact the Rapid City Police Department at 605-394-4131. And Deandra Tyon Murley, a 15-year-old Native American female, missing from Rapid City since October 25th, 2020. Deandra goes by the nickname Buffy. She does have contacts in the state of Kentucky. She stands 5'4", weighs 115 pounds, has brown hair that is dyed brown and blonde, brown eyes, last seen with a backpack and a jacket. If you have any information, contact the Rapid City Police Department at 605-394-4131. As always, you can contact the Division of Criminal Investigation if you have information at 605-773-3331, or you can email us at missingpersons@state.sd.us. Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep on top of all the latest information when it comes to missing persons in the state of South Dakota. Share it also so we can reunite these individuals with their loved ones. For the Office of the South Dakota Attorney General and Missing Persons Monday, until next week, I'm Tim Borman.